I recently purchased and installed this home decorators fan, and for some reason it's making this noise and it seems like it's wobbling. I already took it apart and I made sure all the bolts were snug, but as you can see there's a type of wobble here, and I don't know if that's a manufacturer defect. If you have any tips on this fan, it's the Mercer. The model name is Mercer, and it's from Home Decorators from Home Depot. It's just making this noise on high speed, and on low speed it makes it even more. But as you can see, it's not wobbling at the top. Top is fine, but it just seems to wobble here in this area. Any tips or ideas, it would help.